What up, YouTube? So what I'm doing is wet sanding it. I'm taking this 600 grit, getting it wet, going over it wherever I feel like any little bumps or anything. Then I'm taking the 1200 grit, wet, and I'm going over it. I have a 2000 grit. If it's not smooth enough, I'll go over that, but pretty much I'm just feeling over it. Any kind of weird feelings, you just take the sandpaper, right? Rub over it. Then you take the 1200, polish it out. When I'm done doing this, I'm gonna buff this whole thing, because after you see, when it dries, it's gonna have white spots all over it. Just want to get it nice and smooth. Alright, I'll come back when I'm done. Show you the next step. Okay, after wet sanding it, taking a polishing pad. It's like medium pad. I'm putting some new finish on it. It's a ceramic polish. Alright. We're just gonna keep doing that till it gets nice and shiny. I'll come back and show you. So I've wet sanded. Now I'm just taking the polish pad. You can see it's coming out. Polishing out. It just takes forever. So just take your time and keep polishing. It gets better and better.